Welcome to knowledge learning class. Today we are going to see a new thing, new concept in our channel, swimming pool control panel. These panels are used in swimming pools to control the purifications in that. Today we are going to see our inner parts in this, which controls our swimming pool control, and it will contain single phase preventers and two pole MCB, 3 pole MCBs and 2 pole MCBs, and timers and contactors and relay, 230-volt relay, and incoming, which content it will be contain some knowledge, like we are putting all incoming supply here to switch on the control panel, and this is a main off and on with giant circuit breaker. We will be seeing a front part like we have voltmeter, which will show volts, how many volt, like it will be showing everything. And this is a main control off on, and it's auto manual. You can turn auto off, manual also, automatic and manual. It will be having the two options in this, and indicators and auto off man, cascade auto off man, like it will be having some kinds of thing. And this is an swimming pool control panel. In next video we are going to see our next level swimming pool control panels which are installed in swimming pools. I think you get some knowledge about this, and thank you for watching knowledge learning class. Thank you.